great. Well, hello everyone. Third day in Hong Kong, and I'm gonna say we just had lunch. Although I want to do this as an opening, but yeah. After lunch, we're now taking a walk along the promenade at Kennedy Town, which looks really awesome. The view is really good. Oh, I'm backlit. Okay, yeah. I'll fill it in the video in the B-roll. The view here is really awesome, and lots of people are here taking photos. I'm gonna go to the museum later and then check out the Winterfest because it's Christmas today. So Merry Christmas everyone. I don't know when this video comes out anyway. We're here at this promenade and I'm walking backwards because the light is not in my favor if I turn the other direction. It's like this activity area where people are gathered. It's really bustling, lots of things going on. And it's my first time here, so it's a really interesting thing to see. Pretty cool. I want to visit a museum and we're taking the bus there because yeah, there's less walking as compared to the MTR. My first time at West Kowloon, yay! And I'm excited to go to the Gugong, the Forbidden Palace Museum, because they have this exhibition about the Sanjingdui discoveries made in Sichuan. I read about it before and I was surprised to see that they were having an exhibition here while I'm here in Hong Kong. And I'm thinking of going to Sichuan or Chengdu next year in March, so this really got my interest. That's why I really wanted to come. Oh, I'm finally here at the museum, the front of the museum, and it looks...
Oh, it's not that one.
It's not that one?
Not that one.
Say it to me again.
It's not that one.
Then where am I?
It's the one behind.
The one behind?
Yeah, there's another one behind this one. It should be.
有吗?
Oh, maybe it is.
I don't see another building.
Oh, maybe it is. Oh, it's on the other side, I'm sorry. Yeah. The
entrance is the other side.
This is the best side I don't remember. I cannot recognize.
Don't scare me, then we're in the wrong place. Coffee break. There's a cupping room at the museum itself. Really nice. And since the weather is nice and all, decided to finish the coffee outside along with I don't know, 50,000 other people at the same time. It looks like everyone is here. Let me flip. Yeah. Let me flip the camera around to show you the other 50,000 people. People, 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 people. And dogs. Also, more people behind us. People, 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 people. Oh well, but that's Hong Kong. At least it's a nice green place here. Got my tickets. So if you have the credit card or Apple Pay or Google Pay or WeChat Pay or best with Octopus, you can use the self-service kiosk. I think the standard entry is, I don't know what's the standard entry because I'm going to the special exhibition. So for one of the special exhibitions only, plus the entry, it's like 150 Hong Kong dollars. It's pretty worth it. Waiting for my time slot to go in. We're heading in.
One step up.
Okay, great. Now we're about the same height. Wow, there's this viewing veranda with an awesome view of the skyline. Could this be the hidden best view of the harbour? Yes, the view here is really awesome. Wow, that awesome view. You got a bird's eye view of the event space, the famous harbour and skyline, and then leading out to the open sea. Amazing, and with the setting sun too. But yeah, let's go in because like museum closes at 6 and it's already like close to 5. Right here to see the San Xingdui archaeological finds. The San Xingdui archaeological finds were discovered in Sichuan province, China. They date back over 3,000 years to the ancient Shu civilization and have reshaped our understanding of early Chinese history and its cultural diversity. On display was some of the stunning bronze sculptures, gold masks, and jade artifacts. Almost all of the pieces were being shown outside of Sichuan for the first time. I was very happy to be able to catch them here in Hong Kong. Just out of the San Xingdui exhibition, it was really interesting. See you in Sichuan. The sun just set and look at the color of the skies. Turns out the museum had extended operating hours for the Christmas holiday. So we went on to view the other thematic galleries. I really enjoyed viewing the treasures from inside the Forbidden City. The history and stories behind each and every item that was part of a person's life in that place got me thinking. They may have lived in luxury, but were they happy? I also love the interactive stations such as this one, allowing us to experience calligraphy without making a wet, inky mess. Wow, look at me go at it, like I've had more than 5 minutes of experience. plot twist? I actually do, but that's another story for another time. This looks trippy. You're meant to lie down as you admire it. Coupled with the audio tracks, this was really trippy. What is going on? I would love a few glasses of wine before this, if you know what I mean. This is so trippy. It's like the emperor was high on something. Done with the museum, and just right outside there's this Winterfest thing going on. So there's a lot of like booths and stalls selling Christmassy stuff and a live band performing. But right now I'm like 15 minutes away from the start of the fireworks along the waterfront, so I'm heading over there to try and get a better spot first.
Forgot this.
Oh. Oh, so cute. Everyone has the same idea, waiting for the 8 o'clock fireworks, so everyone's heading towards the direction now. Where?
Oh my god. Over there. Oh my god.
Oh no, can't really see much of it. It's on the other side, it's on the other side. We can't see, barely see anything. Managed to catch some parts of it, although it was mostly like 3/4 obscured. But at the end, I managed to get a better view for a couple of minutes. It ended now, and I'm wondering like how am I going to get out of this crush alive.
Later that same evening.
Trying the Claypot rice place again. Oh. Okay. Okay.
You wanna wait this phone?
How long do you think we'll have to wait?
Half an hour maybe. I don't know.
Okay, why not? Dude right in front of us in the line said, oh, actually the queue has already stopped because they placed a traffic cone after him. So they're done for the night over there. He's the last customer they're going to serve. Heck. So we found out from a local friend that they actually have a brunch just the next street over, and they serve the same, more or less the same things over there by the same people, and we're heading over there, trying our luck. 太难了，想吃一个有名的煲仔饭都太难了。Lucas asked, what's the plan if the next one is also very crowded? The plan will be McDonald's because I'm giving up. 放弃人生直接。I think that's the place because there's a bunch of people waiting outside. Oh yes, it's this place. We found the place. Not much of a line, but look. It says that our opening hours are from 5 to 10 p.m. Right now it's 9:11 p.m. I highly suspect we're at risk of being rejected at the door McDonald's. So happy we finally ordered. We're really gonna eat here.
Hope it's good.
Hope it's good. The first Claypot has arrived with pork ribs. Yum yum. It looks so good. It smells so good too. Okay. Oh, no. Mine is here. So mine is eel with what do I have again? Eel, pork, ribs, and sausage. Looks amazing. Okay, I'm just gonna eat the first one a little bit more, then I'll go into mixing the second one.
And the salted fish is here. You can take it by yourself.
Okay. The rice is still mostly soft and fluffy.
Put some soy sauce when it's still hot.
Oh, that looks so good. Okay. Oh, spare is so tasty. Trying a bit of the salted fish. But it seems to be totally salted, I don't know.
Very salted fish.
Okay, yeah, very salted. Let's mix the Claypot. Okay, the eel. Bison. The Chinese sausage. And more pork ribs. I'm gonna mix it properly. Wow, you're really hungry.
You want more?
Yeah, actually just put the whole damn thing in.
It's not very salty. It's just the
Yeah, that's right. Okay. Yum yum yum. Oh, the eel is so delicious. The eel is good.
Yours one got the taste of sausage. Much more stronger. Do you like it?
I love it.
That's all.
This yours is also very good. And I think I like this combination of flavor, the eel, the pork, and the sausage. So I forgot to record a closing, but it is what it is. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're enjoying this series. Please give a like for this video and subscribe. Also, leave a comment to rush me in editing my videos. I need the motivation. Bye.